Our leadership and mentoring branch focuses very clearly on pre-service teachers, beginning teachers and school executives. You'll work through a whole range of different programs to get to understand how to create a vision for your school. The mentoring is based around the world famous Hudson mentoring model, and that's used to be able to facilitate good mentoring practices. We have a leadership program where school executives are scaffolded through a day of managing and leading their school. We also have conflict resolution as a session, and we have an understanding about the different types of leadership practices that occur. We provide tools for school executives, and in these tools they allow the school executives to provide honest and open feedback that is both positive but also leading towards that constructive criticism that allows for professional development and growth for the teachers in the school. Importantly, we also have an action research component, and in this particular session you'll not only learn about how to do action research, but you'll also know how to bring together the collective thinking of your staff so that it creates a vision, the ethics to be able to move forward with your school's direction. Action research is a way to gather data about practices so that it informs the school principal and anyone doing action research on how they can be better at what they're doing. So whether you want to be involved in leadership and mentoring programs, English study tours or specialised professional development programs, and we can then tailor a specific program to your needs.